Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can write text in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, these are the official instructions of Photopea, and I will be explaining to you guys how you can create a text block or how to create a type layer. Now, you have three different versions or three different types. One is the point text, the other is the paragraph text, and the third one is text on a curve. Now, to create a point text, what you need to do is just choose a type tool and click on whatever point of the screen or the image you would like. Once you click there, that will be the starting point of your text, and from there on it will write and format itself accordingly. If you want to create a paragraph text, then you want to click the tool again and just click wherever you want and drag out the area of the paragraph where you want the paragraph to be. And this is basically what you need to do to start writing. Once you do any of these, you can just start writing in the area that has been selected, and you'll be able to do whatever you want with it. Enter whatever text you would like, and you can also create text on a curve. Firstly, you need to select a curve in paths panel or a shape layer or vector mask and click on the contour, and then there will be two new symbols on a curve, an X symbol and a no symbol. The text will be placed between them, as you can see on this image here, and you can use the path select tool to move these points or switch the rendering of the text to the opposite side, and that is how you create it on a curve. And that is pretty much how you can write text in Photopea. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.